What's up, blooms? When it comes to popular Ayurvedic ingredients, second to fenugreek is Amla powder. In today's video, I'm sharing my DIY Amla Rose Oil recipe that helps with encouraging hair growth and conditioning the scalp. For this Amla Rose Oil, I'm incorporating nutrient-rich ingredients such as rose petals. Did you know that within the petals of a rose, you'll find antioxidant and antimicrobial properties? These properties help to cleanse and nourish your scalp and fortify hair follicles to grow thick and strong. Rose petals also serve as a potent natural conditioner. The mighty petals not only moisturize your tresses, but help in preventing potential scalp issues like dandruff outbreaks. To this recipe, we'll be incorporating black seeds, also known as black cumin. I've used black seeds in a previous DIY recipe to make a black seed and Chebe oil and Ayurvedic hair butter. Black seeds contain high amounts of omega-3 and 6, which encourages blood circulation. According to traditional Chinese medicine, hair is a direct extension of your blood circulation, so increasing blood circulation directly benefits the health of your scalp and hair. Lastly, we have the star of our recipe, Amla powder. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is made from the ground up leaves of the Indian gooseberry fruit. Amla is rich in vitamin C and iron, which helps to condition your scalp, promote healthy hair growth, boost volume, and collagen production. Amla also has a high concentration of vitamin E. Applying amla powder topically may help to promote healing and cell regeneration in a given area. To combine the ingredients, I'm using almond oil for its hydrating and nourishing properties. Almond oil not only provides moisture to the hair, but also to the scalp. I'm adding a little over a cup of almond oil to an airtight container. Then I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of amla powder and a tablespoon of black seeds. Feel free to adjust the measurements to your liking. Now I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of rose petals. After adding all of our ingredients, I'm using a wooden spoon to combine everything. This part is completely optional, but in a medium pot, I have water boiling in order to warm up the oil. I like infusing my oils over a double boiler from time to time in order to activate the ingredients as part of the infusion process. After 7 to 10 minutes, I place the lid over my container. The combination of these powerful Ayurvedic ingredients are great for encouraging hair growth and providing nutrients to your scalp and strands. You can choose to leave out the rose petals and black seeds in this recipe and still enjoy all the benefits of amla powder on its own. I let the oil infuse for about a month, making sure to give it a good shake from time to time. Alright y'all, so now it's time to strain the oil and add some additional ingredients to the mix. I'm using a nut milk bag to strain my oil, but you can also use a cheesecloth for this process. By doing this, I'm making sure to get rid of bits of rose petals and black seeds. You'll probably have to strain your oil a few times if you really want to get rid of all the pieces that are left behind. Now I'm adding in a few drops of rose essential oil to reinforce the rose part of our Amla Rose Oil. Next, I'm adding a few drops of horsetail extract. Horsetail has a high amount of silica and is known to improve the blood circulation in your scalp, which in turn leads to healthy hair follicles. When your scalp gets enough blood circulation, it increases hair production. Lastly, I'm adding in rosemary essential oil for its anti-inflammatory properties and lemon essential oil because it smells absolutely delicious. After infusing the oil, straining, and adding essential oils, I'm transferring this batch of Ayurvedic goodness to a bottle for better storage and application. You can use this Amla Rose Oil in many different ways, like adding some to your deep conditioner. I usually add oils to my deep conditioners or a DIY Prepoo treatment for additional moisture and shine. I've been doing this step for years in my natural hair routine and love how my hair looks and feels after. If you're interested in the deep conditioner that I'm using here, go ahead and check out the videos in my description box and up in the cards. I also love using this oil while styling my hair. You can also use it directly on your scalp while in a protective style or throughout the week. If you like your oil on the thicker side, you can swap almond oil for organic castor or organic avocado oil. If you'd like to see the full tutorial on this bomb twist out, y'all, go ahead and check out this video right here featuring my DIY Ayurvedic Chebe butter. I'll also leave it in the cards as well. But that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this Amla Rose Oil recipe and if you'd give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.